Seema Mami, whatever, bro.
Good life, easy.
Seema, I don't know, call her
Seema Mami, bro.
Seema Mami.
We'll call her Seema
When
Mami.
Seema Mami even goes to, like, say, if Seema Mami comes to visit you, she'll be like, क्या चाहिए तुझे?
हाँ.
हाँ, क्या चाहिए? कैसा चाहिए? You know, like she's selling a product.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
Yeah, what are you
Okay,
looking
you want
for?
him to be tall, handsome, rich,
Sense of humor.
sense of humor. So I was shocked. I was like, wow, this shit happens and they're
Yeah.
putting it on TV.
And the best part is that I was shocked that I was shocked. So Seema Mami, whether you like it or you don't, she is a powerful businesswoman. Okay?
Big time.
She's tenacious. You know, she's organized.
Correct.
She loves what she does. You can see it.
Yeah.
She loves it. She's passionate about her job.
Big time.
And that's why she does it so well.
Mm.
You know, she's literally being herself on the show. It's not like she's trying to portray somebody else.
And she has some next level confidence.
Next level confidence. Even like for an American to trust a lady based out of Bombay to find them a suitable match says a lot about Seema. Seema Mami. You know, it says a lot about her. She's tenacious.
Yeah, I think she charges.
She's a
like,
go-getter.
She's making bank, bro. She's
Bro, I
making bank. Bro.
She's a prime example of don't hate the player, hate the game.
For sure, yo. Don't hate the player, hate the game. She says it. No, matches are made in heaven. God has just put me to fix these weddings. Level confidence.
And imagine, bro, people are planning their future and using her services to do so. So people need to trust in that person.
Correct.
So to develop that trust in your customers is a big deal. So she is a businesswoman, whether you like it or you don't. You know, you
Big
like what she
facts.
does or you don't, but she is a businesswoman regardless.
Bro, let's talk a little bit about
No, and another point about her business, right? So a business always has a problem in scaling up when what you're doing cannot be replaced by somebody else. So if you want to scale up your business, whatever you're doing, you have to teach it to somebody else, and
Correct.
then your business scales up. That's what we know,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So obviously she can't do that with her business. But what she did is very smart. She developed these cookie cutter mold kind of question answers. You know, so she goes to everybody and everybody feels like, wow, this lady is giving me a personalized experience. She's coming to my house. She's seeing my background. I'm sure she's doing it for the other person. But actually she's doing the same for everybody. She goes to the house. She'll sit down.
Correct.
She'll be like, beta, what are you looking for? And at the end, after listening to everything, she'll drop her 3-4 nuggets of you have to compromise better, you have to be patient, and you have to be flexible. She's telling that to everybody.
Bro,
But everybody else is feeling that it's so personalized. You know, that Seema is really solving my life problems. But she's giving the same answers to everybody and questions to
She ain't
everybody.
filling the criteria for sure.
Yeah, so
like that criteria list is just a scam. Firstly, bro. It's a big scam. Main premise of the show is complexion, religion, and caste, according to me. Okay.
Seema Mami, na bro, breaks it down beautifully. Arranged marriage is a marriage of families, Rahul. Not
God
two
damn,
soulmates.
bro. You're not
Rahul-
making a fucking NBA player or something where you get to select height.
राजा को चाहिए रानी.
हाँ वो तो होता ही है ना bro. वो हुआ क्या फिर? Why didn't any of the characters match, bro? Tell me that.
Bro, I'm just happy Seema Mami got paid.
Yo, Seema is, bro, modern day pimpin'.
Like-
Seema Mami was the star of the
She's the
show,
star.
yo. If the matchmaker introduces me to a girl, okay? And I don't get married to her. Okay, no, I get married to her. And then unfortunately, we get divorced. Do I get a fucking refund, bruh?
Are you mad?
Why not?
Are you mad?
Why not?
Bro, Seema Mami has already bought the BMW. Now she's going to refund.
Bro, I don't give a shit. Give me the BMW fund. Give me the BMW.
Are you mad?
You know?
So there's
but
no
don't you think
refund.
they should be refunded?
No, not at all. That's your problem.
Huh?
That's your problem.
You didn't make a proper match.
That's why it's a great business and she's a great businesswoman because there's no return, no refund. She gets paid regardless of you getting married. So to show you biodatas, you have to pay her.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, and-
So she's not opening her books for free.
Bonus, if you get married, you have to pay a bonus.
Oh.
Yeah, something like that.
What are you saying?
Yeah, and you're talking about refunds?
What are you saying,
Bro, she's killing it. I'm telling you, she's killing
But then
it.
answer my question. Is she providing goods or a service?
Service.
Okay. Fair enough.
Goods. they
Got you there, bro.
They talk about it like it's a product. They talk about people like their products. Everyone was themselves, including Seema Bain. Like
Seema Bain.
Seema Mami.
Seema Bain, bro. She's the new Seema Bain.
So all the parts where the characters were shown
Huh.
were pretty much cringe. But all the parts where Seema Mami is talking about the characters after meeting them, like they have such a big list, but you can't find everything. You have to adjust. You know, it's
She's
like
so stubborn.
they want it all, but they can't get it all. That is funny.
So you have to compromise.
So when she's complaining about her customers, that is the funny part. Like that was not cringe. That was hilarious, in my opinion. You know, her being her true self
Correct.
was what people loved and hated.
I think she was the realist OG.
She was a realist OG.
She was the realest OG,
Yeah.
bro. The only real person if we could take out of this show was Seema. You know, because she was living. That's
She was
her
living.
life, yo. Come. Follow me, camera.
Oh, you're not married? Don't worry. By this year end, you will
We'll
get
be-
married.
Definitely.
Confirm.
We'll do something and we'll do it off.
Beta, this is a 24-hour job. 365 days.
Heavy.
You understand?
Heavy.
Hardest working lady in India. Seema Mami went and she's like, Seema Mami from Mumbai, Seema, if you have anybody, boy or girl, please bring
If
it.
you have anybody and we have everyone.
We have
What do you
everyone.
want?
We have
What do you want? What's your like? Huh? It's all done.
Done.
6'3"?
Fair? Done.
No, I'll give you 6'4".
Yeah,
You know?
done. क्या
What do you
चाहिए?
want?
Yeah, you want to get married next year? This year. Guaranteed, बेटा.
Big.
आप टेंशन मत लो.
Big.
आप खाली compromise करो, आप खाली flexible रहो and have patience. That's it. So basically, bro, she goes to clients, takes their criteria and gives her criterias.
Oh.
Gives them her criterias.
Oh, true.
कि आपके
true,
क्राइटेरिया
true.
क्या है? नहीं, पर मेरे क्राइटेरिया है कि
है.
my clients have to be flexible, they have
Correct.
to compromise, and they have to be patient.
Correct.
Oh, bro, she's a legend.
Correct.
And Seema Mami, also her confident self, her one line was also amazing, bro. So she does her due diligence also, okay, in with her clients. Like for example, regardless of Rahul believing or no in horoscope, she will go and show your face
Insurance.
or
They call it the insurance.
insurance. So what she says is that horoscope is like an insurance for marriage.
If it,
Amazing, bro. That means this person knows her business in and out. So मेरे client को horoscope में belief है कि नहीं, मैं तो दिखा दूंगी. I will match it.
but she said no, in America they don't give a shit.
Yeah, but still she matches it.
Yeah, she still show it. She'll be
Insurance,
like,
so
yo,
she the AI matchmaker.
the robot matchmaker.
The AI matchmaker. That's a very good point. So
The AI matchmaking.
is the AI matchmaker.
It's-
But as per the guidelines of Seema Mami, so I am going to follow the guidelines of Seema Mami when it comes to arranged marriage.
Go
And
for it.
she clearly says
Go for it.
that arranged marriage is a marriage between the families, not two people, right? So based on those instructions, guidelines, Bumble and Tinder does not qualify. I think Shadi.com and all those matrimonial websites
Is arranged.
Is arranged because eventually you meet the parents. The first meeting is with the parents. I don't think it's an individual meeting, but I don't know, bro.
So I'm trying
And
to figure
Seema Mami
out.
says also that in India, the courtship period is very short.
Yeah.
Once you finalize on the boy and the girl, you get married immediately.
Fuck that, dude.
You get engaged immediately.
Is this why the modern day arranged marriages, like Seema Mami said, marriages are breaking like biscuits?
She very much knows that these are not realistic things. So she'll ask you because that's her job to ask you that, Rahul, what do you want? But then she'll tell you that, okay, you be flexible and all of that. Then she'll see that, okay, chalo, if Rahul is 6, at least I'll get 5. So even if one criteria matches, she'll show you the other person. Of course.
But that's hustling.
Yeah. So see, soulmates can't be found with a list.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
But she's a hustler because she knows that it doesn't matter. She knows that basically once two people meet, everything changes. The real connection happens when they go on one date
100%.
and understand the vibes.
First,
right?
Yeah, 100%.
So she always says, "Ke beta, don't go on the biodata, don't go on the picture, don't go on the information. You have to have one meeting."
But then why are you asking?
But that's what I'm
Why are
saying.
you asking to fill a criteria?
The client will ask only, na, bro.
Huh?
So
But then-
she's so smart that she knows that the clients are going to have a whole list of their likes and dislikes and their wants. Okay, she just matches one or two of them. That's it. And then she'll be like, "Beta, you meet, but you meet." So that's
Hustling.
why she's so smart, because there is no scientific approach to love. There's never a scientific approach to love, and Seema Mami knows this. Kids right now, see, all Indian parents, bro, they all treat their children like a diamond in the rough. इतना घिसो कि फिर चमकेगा एक दिन.
Absolutely.
You know, so they all want the best for the
पर
kids.
इतना मत घिसो कि टूट जाए.
Exactly.
समझ रहा है?
Exactly.
इतना मत घिसा हो कि वो टूट जाएगा. If she's anyways not giving you everything that you want, bro, you can just fucking go on Tinder and Bumble.
No, because
You meet a person, just think about it.
one criteria is good family and sanskar.
That doesn't matter, bro. That
matters to them.
It matters, but yeah, bro, people on Tinder and Bumble, you don't have to fucking pay.
good family and sanskar
Good
is
family.
the criteria. Only Seema Mami can
I think
match.
that's the only thing she's selling, nothing more than that.
So that's arranged
besides,
marriage,
yeah,
Rahul.
besides good family and all, I don't think there's anything else.
That's arranged
I
marriage.
think the criteria is not being met.
But the genius of Seema Mami is that she knows it. She knows it. She knows that all she has to do is to match one or two criterias. I know Rahul, assuming what Rahul's likes and dislikes are, let me find a suitable match. Not a soulmate. A suitable match for Rahul. Okay, I will find one or two. I will show him the first one, go on a date, then go on a second one. Then you'll be like, wow, Seema Mami's got options for me, dude. If I don't like the second, a third one will come. So you get trust in her. She makes bank on you. But
Yeah, of
Seema
course.
Mami said that, yo, you come to me when you're serious. Don't come to me for playtime. That's the genius, bro. So that's why I'm saying she got fucking paid. And I believe that she deserved it because she's a good businesswoman. She's very good at what she does. She's tenacious. She's hardworking. And the best part about it, that she allows her customers and the clients to be vulnerable in front of her and trust her. And people do. So how there's Seema Mami, right? Do you think there can ever be a Samir Masa?
Like a male version. Bro, what are your criteria? Chal.
I don't have any.
Exactly. My
don't have
criteria is
any.
what? Friendship.
Love, bro. मेरे को तो प्यार में गिरना है.